Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Arabic Long channel. In today's video, you will learn a new letter and also long vowels. S, S. This letter is S, is pronounced S. We write it like this when it comes at the beginning of the word. For example, سير, سير. And also when it comes in the middle of the word, like يسار, يسار. And we write it like this when it comes at the end of the word. For example, شمس, شمس. sa, su, si. Please repeat after me. Sa, su, si. Sa, su, si. Okay. Today we have a long vowels. Do you know this letter? Yeah, this is w. W. It has two sounds. A consonant one, like in way, W in way, and also a vowels one, like U in rule. So, like Surya, Surya. Surya means Syria. Surya. And Ruh, Ruh. And also, you know this letter, you learned it in the previous classes. Y, it has also two sounds, consonant, and like yasar, and also a vowel one, like E in keen. For example, حزين, حزين. حكيم, حكيم. The consonant form, it often has accent. I mean the فتحة, the a, u, e. For example, يمين, يمين. This word has the both forms of y, the consonant and the vowel. Here the first one, the consonant form, it has an accent, يمين, so pronounced y. Here it doesn't have an accent. يمين. يمين means right, to the right, or, and also يسار means to the left or left. Great. Let's practice. ما, 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 ما. مو, 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 مو. مي, 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 مي. سا, 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 سا. سي, 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 سي. سو, 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 سو. سوريا, سوريا. يمين, يمين. يسار, يسار. Great! We finished today's video. Thank you very much for watching.